Using stock video is one of my favorite ways to really take my videos to the next level. And if you're not familiar, basically stock videos are videos you could license and get permission to use in your video project. So you could do this for YouTube and anything outside of YouTube as well. Now I've been making videos for 15 years and I've used a lot of different websites for stock videos. So I wanted to share the top 5 in this video and I'll compare the pros and cons. I'm gonna share some free ones, some subscription ones, and some where you pay per clip, but they each have their pros and cons. So let's jump on the computer and we'll go through the list one at a time. I'll show you a free one here to get started. This one is called pixels.com, and if you go to the video tab right here, you could see all kinds of free stock videos that you could download. And if you select any one of these, it's going to tell you how many views it has and if it's free to use. In most cases, they're going to be free to use, and you could press this download option right here to get the highest version of this clip. So this one is a vertical clip, and you could also get other ones that are horizontal clips. And you could also search over here for something that you're looking for specifically, and it's gonna show you all the videos related to that. So if you wanted a video of a tiger, for example, these are the options you're going to get. And again, you could click on one and you could download the highest resolution available. Now, this is a great place to get started if you don't have a budget to license more higher end videos, and it may give you what you're looking for if you're doing this for personal use. But a couple of things to know is some clips are going to require attribution. So make sure where it says free to use, see if you need to add a little bit of a credit when you use this clip. It's also a bit limited because it's user generated for the most part. So you're not gonna get some of the higher quality clips that I'm gonna show you in some of the other options. The next one is called Videezy, and all these are going to be linked in the description below this video as well. And this one also gives you free stock video footage in HD quality and in 4K quality. So again, if I look for a tiger here using the search bar, I could see this one is giving me 67 royalty-free stock videos matching a tiger. So I could click on any one of these here to download it from this page, and you could preview it from this page as well. Again, all these, you should press the license info on it to see how you could use it, because again, with a lot of free websites, there may be some sort of an attribution that you need to add to the description in the video or to a blog post that you're using this video for. And this one does have some filters on the left side here. So if you're looking for more advanced options like only 4K resolution, you could go ahead and check that on. And you could also get more advanced licenses here if the standard one is not what you're looking for. So read about their licensing here, but you could start here with the standard license and see if you get the free clip that you are looking for. Now, Envato Elements is the third out of our list of 5, and this is the one I personally used and I have for many years, and they are also sponsoring this video. Now, my favorite thing about this is a lot of this footage is more high-end, right? They're created typically by videographers and filmmakers, and you could get a lot more quality and a lot more volume. So if I just clear this filter over here just to show you, this has over 2 million stock footage clips that you could go ahead and download. And again, a lot of them are going to be in the higher resolution, and you could also select by frame rate. So if you're looking for higher frame rates, you could just quickly select 60 frames, for example. They have more advanced stuff like alpha, which kind of gives you a transparent background. And there's a whole bunch of advanced things that you may want if you're using this, again, for more professional reasons, or if you're really leveling up your YouTube video with these royalty-free stock videos. And what's unique about this platform is because it's a subscription service, you get everything on this platform for one low monthly fee. So I'll start with stock video and stock footage to level up my videos, but I also get royalty-free music from here. I could also get really fancy graphic animation like logo intros on their video templates. And then I could also get stock photos here as well that I have license to, all for the same monthly fee. I don't have to worry about getting a stock video from one side, then finding music on another side, finding graphics and finding photos on another side. This gives you pretty much anything a creative person would need to download and to use on their projects. So now I don't have to jump around between different platforms to get all the different things I need from music and stock video. And the library is so massive and so high end that I usually find what I'm looking for on my first search pretty quickly. Number 4 is Pond 5. And with Pond 5, you're looking at a bit of a different pricing model. So it's not free and it's not subscription, but if you go under the pricing tab, this is basically set up for each clip having a price attached to it. So you could get a video clip for about $25 as a starting point. So let me just show you. I'll search for Tiger one more time here. And again, you could have commercial licenses and editorial licenses, and you have a lot more advanced filtering here on the left side of the page, which makes it really easy to find what you're looking for, again, for more high-end projects. So if you do have the budget, this is another option to look at. Again, with this, you have to click on each video and you have to add it to cart. So you can see this one is just $50 for this one clip. So it's probably not the best use for YouTube, but this is good if you're charging for a video project and you're delivering to a client. And lastly, let me show you a very high-end stock video website where you could get cinematic, almost film-like video clips. This place is called Film Supply, and I've only used this on the highest end video projects that I've created for clients. Just to give you an example of the pricing, typically a single clip on here costs $99, and that's just for internal. If you're using this for the web, a single clip is $200. But let me just show you the quality of these clips and you'll see a lot of these look like a movie. So if I go to the technology clip here, you could see these just look like clips straight out of a movie. They're created by high-end filmmakers and everything looks very cinematic. So this is created for more commercial users that are using this again for client work. And between those 5 examples, you should have a pretty good library of content here to explore, from free all the way to the most advanced. So I hope you found this useful, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.